You want to know how to add prefixes and suffixes to the y-axis in GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add prefixes and suffixes to the y-axis of your graphs in GraphPad Prism. First, open your GraphPad file with your data and generate your intended GraphPad. Then, double-click on the y-axis. And in the menu that pops up, go to either prefix or suffix, depending on the one that you want to add. In this case, it's a dollar sign because it's a revenue graph. And there you go. The dollar sign is now on the y-axis. Now let's try it with another graph, but this time adding a percentage sign. As a previous example, you generate the graph, double-click on the y-axis, but this time you insert a suffix rather than the prefix for the percentage sign. That's it. You now know how to customize your y-axis with prefixes and suffixes in Prism. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Bioinfo Tips for more short tutorials. See you next time!